Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something really cool. A transparent modification kit for your 44mm or 45mm Apple Watch. This kit promises to transform your everyday Apple Watch into a unique, eye-catching piece. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Right out of the box, you can feel a certain level of quality. The transparent case itself is surprisingly sturdy and well-made. It doesn't feel cheap or flimsy like some other modification kits I've come across. The transparency is crystal clear, allowing the Apple Watch's internal components and a watch face to shine through. It's a really futuristic look, almost like a cyberpunk aesthetic. The kit also includes a rubber strap, which is a nice touch. It's comfortable and flexible, and it complements the transparent case perfectly. The strap feels durable and secure, so you don't have to worry about your precious Apple Watch accidentally slipping off. The installation process is relatively straightforward. The case snaps onto the Apple Watch snugly, and the strap attaches easily. However, the instructions could be a bit clearer, especially for those who aren't used to modifying their tech. A few more diagrams or a video tutorial would definitely be helpful. Now let's talk about the look. This transparent mod kit completely changes the aesthetic of the Apple Watch. It's a bold statement piece, and it's definitely going to turn heads. I've been wearing it for a few days now, and I've gotten tons of compliments. People are genuinely curious about it, and they're surprised to learn that it's a modification kit. One thing to keep in mind is that the transparent case does add a bit of bulk to the Apple Watch. It's not a huge difference, but it's noticeable. If you're someone who prefers a slim and minimalist look, this might not be the right mod kit for you. Also, because the case is transparent, it's more prone to showing scratches and fingerprints. You'll need to be a bit more careful with it than you would with a regular Apple Watch case. Another potential downside is that the transparent case might interfere with some Apple Watch functionalities, such as the heart rate sensor or the ECG. I haven't experienced any issues personally, but it's something to be aware of. Overall, this transparent modification kit is a fantastic way to personalize your Apple Watch. It's well-made, stylish, and relatively easy to install. If you're looking for a way to make your Apple Watch stand out from the crowd, I highly recommend checking this kit out. It's a fun and affordable way to give your tech a fresh new look. Just be prepared for a bit of extra bulk and the potential for scratches. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried any modification kits for your Apple Watch? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.